Welcome to the channel, Ahilan here, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 3 important rules and aspects to business that are universal among all businesses that exist. So these 3 universal rules, I guess you can call them, are applicable to every single kind of business that exists today. So the first rule or first element or principle is speed. Speed is fundamentally one of the most important aspects of business you need. You need to be able to be fast. You gotta, from the point of conception, so from the point of your idea, that business idea, you need to then execute that idea and then create an actual business out of it and flesh it out and make money, right? Sounds easier said than done, but that's just the truth, right? You got to be fast. So whether it's creating a course or creating a conventional storefront or whatever it is, because business 101, supply and demand. The market wants what the market wants. There's a problem in the marketplace, it needs to be served, right? You need to solve that problem and you got to go fast, because believe it or not, you don't necessarily need to be the best in the space, right? And this goes for all types of businesses, but you just got to be the first to bat. You got to be the first one there to bat. And that's enough alone to make a lot of money. Obviously, when competition comes in and things get, the market saturation point hits, then yeah, at that point, speed isn't as important as, the quality of the product or service. But initially, speed is crucial. And ideally, you obviously want to create quality products so that there's a longevity, so that there's a long-term business that goes on, as opposed to creating cheap products and services, right? So speed. So it's from the point of the conception of an idea, then the execution of that idea into a real life translatable business, so an applicable business. So again, this really, a saying that encompasses this is, there is no such thing as $1 million plan, only $1 million execution. So that's speed. Price point is one of the most simplest yet most profound things you can do for a business. So creating that sweet spot, creating that ideal price point is what's going to make you a ton of money. So you don't want something cheap, but you don't want something too expensive, depending on your demographic, right? You want something affordable, but enough to have good margins for you. So this can also apply with high ticket affiliate marketing, right? That's actually, there's really higher ticket affiliate marketing where you're making thousands of dollars in commissions for selling certain services and packages and even products, to say the least. But you can make, a substantial amount of money just by raising the price or just doing high ticket affiliate marketing, right? Because the price point is right. And when you create the right price point, you can make a huge commission, and that's just mathematics, right? There's no magic, there's no marketing ploy or technique, special technique. That's just all mathematics, right? You have a high price point, you're going to make a lot of money. So if you're doing self-publishing, a simple thing you can do is just raise your price point, right? To make money with your books, And the third aspect is longevity. So you want something that's long-term sustainable, right? So whether it's self-publishing or whatever business you may have, you want to create rapport, because business is about building relationships, right? It's about making connections, and you want to have a long-term sustainable business, not a pump and dump scheme, right? You don't want something where you make a ton of money for the short term and then it dies. You want something that's on the upward trend and is sustainable and is long-term. So that's going to be all for this video on the most important business aspects you need to focus on. And I hope that you can take away some powerful lessons from this. So speed, price, and longevity are fundamentally universal rules or laws you can apply to all types of businesses that you want to really implement and really consider when you're engaging in business. So that's going to be all for this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell notification so you're notified for any upcoming videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.